Assalamualaikum. So, good morning sa inyong lahat, guys. So, in today's video, guys, tuturuan ko na naman kayo sa salitang Arabic, yung colors in Arabic, guys. So, without further ado, let's begin! So, okay, just stay tuned, guys. So let's start with white. So, white in Arabic is abyal. Okay, uulitin ko. White, abyal. Black in Arabic, aswad. Black, aswad. Green in Arabic, akdar. So, green, akdar. Red in Arabic, akmar. Red, akmar. Yellow in Arabic, aspar. Yellow, aspar. Orange in Arabic, bortokali. Orange, bortokali. Purple in Arabic, mauve. Purple, mauve. Gray in Arabic, rosasi. Gray, rosasi. Blue in Arabic, asrag. Blue, asrag. Brown in Arabic, buni. Brown, buni. So, ayan lang po muna today, guys. So, this is just only a very short vlog, guys. So, and if you are new in this channel, guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para magiging updated ka sa mga coming videos natin in the future. And don't forget to like and share if you like my videos. So, thank you so much!